looking on my body. She twerk a clap for me. Like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello. Hello. It's me. Hello. It's me. Hello. It's me. Hello.
Happy Saturday, beautiful people. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. It's a Saturday and it's a rainy weekend here in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, it's not raining right now, but it rained terrible yesterday. If I can insert some clips that I saw on the internet, for sure to say the rain was so terrible. A lot of people flooded. There was cars washing away. It was crazy. I was so glad I was not on the road yesterday because I would have been pissed. Anyways, it is gonna rain, but it hasn't started yet, so perfect. I just have a few errands to do and I wanted to have a pool day. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna still have a pool day today. It's probably not gonna work out like they say. It's about to rain, but the girl did her hair this morning just to, you know, fix up my hair a little bit. Today's Saturday night, so I should be heading out on the road. So, but for now, I'm just gonna run my errands. I'm not gonna video it and then I will catch you guys later if I'm gonna go to the pool.
No cap.
Yeah. Yeah.
I took the top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drink and it's clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't know, so I go locked off. I go back to the drop house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Catch it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they calling, I'm in route.
Alright, so just coming from the supermarket like I showed y'all. Actually my dad is here, so he had us grab some stuff. He wanted some juice and stuff, so we're just having like a drink. Rain is not falling right now, which is super good, so I am just gonna go by the pool right now. I checked it out already. It's not dirty, so I can go in the pool and just relax for a while. There's nobody there. It's like a complex, so we're at an Airbnb. I booked an Airbnb for him, so yeah, I can't show you guys the place because it's already ransacked. He's been here for days and it's not my Airbnb, it's my dad's Airbnb. So yeah, but anyways, this is the swimsuit. I actually need to remove it. I forgot to bring a towel. Hold on, give me a second. So this is a swimsuit. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to the pool and let's have a little drinky drink. I'm the only one who ready to the water, so yeah. Damn, I look really skinny. You know, skinny girl? You bellies. Oh, it's too low. Yeah.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong.
Guys, so I'm actually in a Mega Mart. I need to get pigtails for dinner tomorrow. I'm not gonna cook, mommy's gonna cook, but we're in Mega Mart right now.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Hey guys, so I am ready to head out to the house. This light is so bad, but I wanted to show you guys a quick fix. I'm heading out to Janga's. I'm supposed to fix this properly. It's true, the shirt is kind of big, that's why it looks that way, but this is how I'm planning to wear it. Just that, some tights, biker tights, and my gold Zara. It's just a fit. We're gonna head out to Janga's and have a good time. I did a slight makeup vibe, but yeah, this is a fit.
Ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So we
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I don't get time, I did jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man.